Hello everyone, welcome to AI Influencer course by Quanta AI Labs. So in this video, we talk about how you change the clothes of your AI influencer. So in the previous video, we talk about how you control your AI influencer pose, depth. You can use that control nets and give the controls to that image. Okay, to generation in the generation. Okay, in this one, once your image is generated, now you want to change the clothes of your AI influencer. So you can use this workflow. Let's understand the workflow first. Okay. So here we need a load diffusion model and here dual clips. For this one, we are using flux fill dev. Where you find this one? If you search flux fill dev. Okay. Search for this one, you will find this one, this model. Okay, this is flux fill dev. The same VAE you need. How you download? Just click on download or just do one thing. I will give you the guide where all the links are there. You can directly put into this one. So where you need to put this model. So if you go into ComfyUI to models folder, if you search for the units, there you need to place it up. Flux fill dev. Okay. A diffusion models is also there. Wait, let me show you that one also. Diffusion. Okay, flux is there. So in flux one, this one is present here. The flux GGF models and diffusion models. But the in the UNet you need to, okay, for flux fill dev you need to put into UNet. Okay, once it is done, now the second thing we required a long clip. So we can use this one, long clip VITL text details. So go to the model manager, long clip. Okay. So this is long clip VIT. This one we required, the smooth one, improved HTML. So you can download it from here. And already I told you about this one, the clip T5 XXL FP16. Now we are using the powered LoRa for this, the powered LoRa. So if you search for the powered LoRa, you get it, this one, powered LoRa loader. Once this is done, or you can take direct this workflow and paste it here, so you can install the missing custom nodes also. Okay. So we are using two LoRas. One is Flux 1 Turbo Alpha. So where you get this? Flux 1 Turbo Alpha. From here you need to download this LoRa. This is the one. I will provide all the links in the document, so you will get all the things. And where you need to put, same thing, you need to go to models folder and go to LoRas and place it here, just like this. I already put this one, Flux 1 Turbo Alpha. Okay. But second one, we are using the ComfyUI subject LoRa. For that, ACE++ we are using. Let me run this one once, otherwise it will stop my machine. Okay. So for this one, ACE++, that is the major thing we are using, which is Alibaba VI Lab. So what is ACE++? Instruction based image creation and editing via context aware context fill. So what you are do in this one? So you edit the image, you fine tune composite models of the ACE data. Let me show you this one. Okay. So input reference image, this is the face you want. Maintain the facial feature. A girl is wearing a neat polish uniform and spotted. So this is for the, what is the function of it? Consistent consistent character ID consistent generation. Then if we talk about second one, it will the subject consistency generation for we are using this logo to on the cup, and here the characters subject consistency editing, you need to put this character to here in the location. You are using masking techniques for that, but we are using try on. We are providing this cloth image, we masking that, and the woman dress this skirt, we are using try on. You can do for the face swap also here, and many more things you can do it from this tool. So how that works? So if you go in the files, so there are subject LoRa and portrait LoRas, and there is their own models also. If you don't want to use flux fill, you can use this model also. It works fine for. You just need to download this one and place it where? You need to place it in the UNet models only. Okay, just place it here, that model. If you don't want to use flux fill one dap, that's it. So let me go to the ACE++. There is a subject LoRa which we are using. You need to download this one and place it in the same thing in the LoRa folder, which I already shown you. Where it is, yeah, here you need to place. Once it is done, now you have models and the clips. So we are using flux forwarder overrider and apply T cache. Why we applied the T cache? To increase the speed of the workflow. That's it. That is the major point of applying T cache. So applying T cache, put this values, and it will increase the speed of the workflow. Okay. Now let me put it here. Okay. Now we load the image of the model where we want to put our clothes on, and we are using a grow mask with blur. What it is doing? Okay, if we see this one, let me preview this one also. Maybe we already preview this. Okay, let me preview this. What this is doing? Okay, and convert image, concatenate also we can do this one. Preview. Let me rerun it again. So it is giving. So I'm not doing any mask here. This is the model, load model, but we want this dress on this model. Okay. So right now I'm not doing any mask, so it is not showing anything here. If I want to do the mask, so if you load the image first and open mask editor. Okay. Now let me reduce the thickness. The dress is like similar to this one. Let me try this one. Yeah, this is the generation. Okay, you take some fingers out of it. Yeah, this is the thing. Do the masking properly. Take it like this. We have dress. And this is done. Okay, that's the part. It is done. And save this one. So your masking and the load image is done. Now we are doing the resize also. Here we do the resize, image concatenate, and we are giving to Inpaint model conditioning. So from here we take the load image of cloth, we resize, empty latent we use same size. Okay. From empty image we are using same size and giving to this. Now let me show you this one now. Now it is blur the mask and you will able to see this is the process. Okay. This process you are able to see. We are using grow mask for masking this thing, blur. We expand, you can expand the blur also from here, increase all the things, blur radius also, and then where you get. Okay, so we are here right now. We use the Inpaint model context. So after that all the things we are using flux guidance, prompt is there, negative prompt is going there, VI we take from here, and pixels from where? We are using image concatenate for pixels and we get here. And mask we give this one. This is the mask we are giving. Okay, this image by the way. this image we are giving to this one. Then all the things we give to the K sampler and generate the image. Okay, so let's rerun this one. Random. Okay. The color is not matching. We need to rerun this one. If it is not taking correctly, then we will run this one. I change the prompt, a woman wearing this red dress. Okay. But it mostly takes, yeah. We don't need to run now. So it takes the dress properly. It works well for us. Let me save this one. Okay. So let me save this one also. So this way you can put the dress on any model. So this is the workflow. You can get it in the on my Patreon channel. So let's do from tomorrow's, which we already use. Okay, this image we created from our control net. Okay, now we need to mask this one. This is the little bit tricky one. So let's do one thing. Let's open mask editor. So I know the dress is like similar to this dress only. So I masked this one. Okay, let's run this again. Save. So this is a little bit tricky. Let's wait for it. It's wearing that dress, but not the strips and all the things are missing. Let me use some different techniques. Let me remove this one and let me do mask like this. Okay, let's do the thing. Do the masking properly. All the things should be masked from here to here, here to here. And let's do the save this one and let's wait for it to generate. So it generates the properly the dress and all the things, but it missing the strips. So we regenerate that thing. You will get all the workflows on my Patreon channel and the documentation about that workflow. Now it works fine properly. So what we get, it is more similar to that. Okay, so that's all in this video. So this way you can put clothes on your AI influencer. So thank you everyone for attending this lecture. And if you like the video, subscribe our channel. We come up with similar of how to use AI models and on ComfyUI and all the things.